Okay, for those of you that follow my update on my WhatsApp group about stock capital, the referral program, referring three people uh, to get this $260 coupon a week ago. So if you open your Tower Capital this morning, you will see something like this message. That is how to use your coupon. So how do you get the coupon? Click on this place. This is your wallet icon. As you can see on my wallet, I'm currently having $81.25. So if you look over here now, you will see this place that they say coupon. So click on that coupon. You will see the three coupon that they give to you. So this particular coupon is worth around that 400 and something dollar. I can calculate it. So many people are asking, how do they use their Tower Capital coupon? So this coupon is they give to you is like a which update that did this thing. Okay, 5 VIP coupon. So it's like 5 VIP coupon. So they give you 159, 159, and 162. So depending on your balance on this, as you can see now, my total balance is $81.28. So what do you need to do? They have given you 162 coupons. Each coupon is valid for one machine. So what do you need to do? You need the coupon to buy this each and every all this machine. So as for now, for me, because my balance is not enough, I cannot buy it. As you can see, I cannot buy it. I cannot buy this particular amount. So I will need around that $143 on my account, on my main balance, to be able to buy it. As you can see, I'm currently having this $81. So I need to have $143 on my account. So what do you need to do, depending on your balance on your Tower Capital? Subtract 300 and subtract any of this coupon, the biggest of it. So just go over here, click on that place, click on the particular robot, then subtract your amount, the available amount from the coupon, subtract your available amount from this one. Like me now, if I subtract $81, $81.25 from this $143, then what you need to do is to deposit the rest to your account. Once you deposit the rest to your account, you will see this particular place that will allow you to buy it is gonna shine red. And that is what you do for each and every of the coupon. So you will still subtract or deposit to make this particular any of the coupon to complete it 305 USDT. So for me, I'm not buying it. The reason is because this kind of offer normally comes whenever a platform is about to close, and I will not advise anybody to buy it. You understand? So if you want to do it, speaking it's not in any way a financial advice. I'm just sharing the information because I saw a lot of people asking me on WhatsApp and Telegram, how do they use the coupon? So this is how they use the coupon. You have to have available balance that will be when they add the coupon to your available balance, it will be able to reach $305 minimum, so that you will be able to use it to buy the mining machine. So if you are someone that have around $100 or $112 in your available balance, bravo, you can decide to deposit the rest. Just calculate your balance. If you can deposit it, can use. If I deposit, so what I really need to do now, $143 is around minus $81 is around 20 something to 30 something USDT. So I can easily decide to deposit such amount to complete my amount, then buy the machine, and it will be giving me 3.9 USDT, around that 4 USDT daily. And that is how you will be able to withdraw from Tower Capital. So I just want to share this update for those of you that are asking me the question on how to use their Tower Capital, how to use Tower Capital, and how to post on Tower Capital. So if you want to know, if you need a very legit update that you don't need to invest in, if you need a very legit update that you don't need to invest in, check out this video that we pop out on top now to know how to use it. And you will need a couple of referrals. That's just a sign-up bonus. So you need a couple of referrals so that but you don't need to deposit it. You need a couple of referrals before you will be able to reach VIP1 that can be able to withdraw. So this is the end of this video, guys. Thank you guys for staying by. It's your boy Zubikin. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification so that you get notified whenever I post a new update. As for now, see you guys on my next video. Peace.